Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. I've been talking about using ChatGPT in conjunction with or to do Midjourney prompts, and we'll continue that. The last few videos I've been talking about a catalog kind of system where a catalog is just a collection of prompts that I use for ChatGPT to model off of. And this is some images I'll show from the daily theme of yesterday, which was Metaphorical Chicken, which is pretty funny. So this is an Ansel Adams prompt, um, and I was doing some different artists. Here's James Jean, a fantasy one. When this was a Banksy one, which I thought this was a pretty funny chicken. Um, but here the really funny one was this prompt here, which is Vincent van Gogh, Starry Night, Metaphorical Chicken. And I thought, regardless of what this looked like, just the prompt itself is just pretty funny. Vincent van Gogh, Starry Night, Metaphorical Chicken. And the prompt itself is pretty funny too, I thought. So I asked ChatGPT to do some more like this, where the pattern would be uh, a famous artist, a masterpiece, and then metaphorical chicken. So let's take a look at a few of these. So this is Mona Lisa, Leonardo da Vinci, metaphorical chicken. Then this is a Salvador Dali one. Um, let's see, here we have, what was this? Come back here. So this is Andy Warhol uh, with pop art metaphorical chicken. So these aren't really the masterpiece ones yet. Here's one, another Mona Lisa. Okay, this is Edvard Munch, The Scream, metaphorical chicken. So here you can kind of see the chickens coming into play. And even better, I thought this was a nice rendering of this theme of the Scream. It's got the Munch kind of look and feel to it, and some chickens. All right. And then here we've got the pearl, girl with the pearl earring, but with chickens. Okay. And here another version of the girl with the pearl earring and a chicken. Uh, and then here we've got the kiss with the metaphorical chicken of Klimt. And here we've got a Picasso rendering. And here we've got the thinker. So this one I had to run quite a few times to get a chicken in there, but I definitely think it was worth it. Don't you? Look at that. Isn't that great? What would be the thinker without the chicken? Also thinking. Okay, so to do the theme for today is indigo, which I have a bunch of blurpy ones. I think I'll do another video where I'll pull out some blurpy ones, where blurpy is a combination of blue and purple, because those ought to work well for this. But I'm going to stick with the um, catalog theme here, and I'm a little surprised it's not giving me the jump to present here. I wonder why that is, because usually it'll have you go jump to present, but I don't see it. Anyway, it says the theme is now indigo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have ChatGPT, I'm going to tell it that it's indigo, and it has 4 catalogs now in its memory. And I'll say the daily theme is now indigo. Okay. Indigo. That's right, isn't it? Maybe not. Maybe it's with an I. Indigo. Which means this word has to appear in the prompt. All right. So please give me 3 prompts using the current catalog with this word. And then I'll say disregard any other requirements we've been working on. All right, so this should work. Let's see what it says. Okay. And while it's doing that, I'm going to change the prefix. So the prefix I'll use will be the aspect ratio 16:9. I'll do 750 stabilization and V5.2, and the other thing is just kind of a batch way of tracking the batch in case I want to find it later. Oh, I didn't. Rats. I guess I didn't ask it to do it, or either that or I don't see it. All right. So let's see what it comes up with here. Okay, so all right, let's try this. Oh, so these have. All right, let me undo the prefix. Let's see there, P. Okay, so I'll undo that because I was thinking that these prompts wouldn't have prefixes, but they do. All right, so here's the first one, and I'll put the batch thing here. All right, there we go. All right, so there's one, and I'll do 3 of these. All right, so while these are running, I'll kind of explain the catalog principle, though I've talked about this in the last several videos that I've done. I've been tweaking this. I have a script that does this. I've released a version. I'll show you in just a second where that is. And I've been trying to improve the script, which I haven't released yet, but this current one seems to be working pretty well. So I'll probably release update something soon. So I'll show where that is. All right, so here's should have 3 going here. And where the script or similar script that I'm using is on my blog here. And so this is a previous one, but this should work fine. And I'll try to put a newer one on here. And this, if you copy and paste the script, it should tell you how it works. And also, I have a couple of previous videos that talk about this catalog system. But the basic principle is quite simple, which is I'm just giving it a collection of prompts to use as a basis for other prompts. And that's a strategy that I found works quite well. So rather than like telling her what to do or giving it a template to work off of, I just give it a bunch of prompts. And then I'm asking it to look through the prompts and find something that it thinks would work well. This looks a little faded, but I think this will work quite nicely on when I go to the Midjourney website. I think it'll look good. So I'll upscale one of those, and I'll do. Here's another one. So I did 3 of them, and I'll upscale another one, and then I'll do a 3rd one. That'll probably be it for this video. To try to keep this video from going too long. So I didn't do the 3rd one? Oh no, it was upscaling. All right. So there should be one 3rd one. Here's the 3rd one here. And I'll choose a 3rd one here. And then I'll go to the Midjourney site. And here's the Midjourney site. And then we'll take a look at, I'll go to my images and I will refresh. And this should pull up the ones that I just did. Okay, here we go. So here's the three that we just did, the upscaled ones. So these are not bad. All right. And I could do quite a lot of different prompts. I might play around that with that on my own and show some things. Because like I said, I've got 4 catalogs that are in memory that I can use to do all sorts of different things with Indigo. But I think what I'd like to do is I wonder if I have Blurple on this, more posts. Blurple? Yeah, Blurple. Wonder if that's in here. Maybe not. I'll have to look around for it. I know I have a blog post. I'm pretty sure I do with Blurple, a bunch of, and I think Blurple, what the things that work well for Blurple ought to work well for Indigo. So that's something that I'll work with. And also I might work with some other catalogs. Um, but let's see, the, the, the way that the catalog works is just you have a list of prompts like here. So this is giving an example. So I have a number of sections. I have 10 sections, and then in each section I have 3 prompts, and it's just looking through these and picking some to choose from. And there's a really, I'd say like 80% chance anyway that the prompts it'll come up with, just giving it these instructions, will come out to be quite nice. So um, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to have another one out where I'll be doing some similar things, and I'll be doing some with, especially on Blurple, to see how that works with Indigo. Thanks for watching. Till next time.